Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing well. In today's recipe, I share with you guys how I make this delicious ogbono soup. It's so yummy, it's so delicious, and you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. Keep watching guys, let's cook this together. Let me show you guys how I make this soup. Alright guys, I've already cooked my meat off camera. The meat is 80% ready. I went ahead and cooked the meat with Maggi and salt, okay? Then I added in my blended dry pepper and with a little bit of crayfish. I'm adding more water, okay? Mind you, I said my meat is already done. It's 90% ready. Then I cover it after adding the blended pepper. Then I like to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add in my ogbono. Okay, I added palm oil to my ogbono. Then I put it inside the microwave for about a minute so that the oil will dissolve. Then after that, I just put it inside right now. Then I stir it together. You have to look at the consistency that you want. Okay, I like my ogbono not too watery. Okay, it should be in the mid. Okay, not too watery and not too thick. Right now, as you can see, it's very thick. I'll make sure I stir it properly. Then after stirring, I'll add in hot water just to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, I just want to see if the consistency is okay. Make sure I stir it very well. Make sure you stir so that it will not be lumpy. Okay, and this ogbono is very good. It's the original ogbono straight from Nigeria. This ogbono, I can bet you guys, is so good. Then after that, I like to cook for about a minute. Then I added in my crayfish. Then I added blended crayfish and a little bit of nut seasoning and a little bit of salt. Then I'll stir it together very well. I'll stir it together. Make sure I stir it together and mix it very well. As you can see, the consistency is still thick. I'm still going to add a little bit more water to it, but not too much water, just a little bit. Now, after stirring it, I'll go ahead. I let it to cook for about a minute or so before I added in my oven baked this is tilapia fish. I baked it with oven, then I debone it. I took off the bones, then I just put it right now. Then I stir it together. As you can see right now, the food is already looking good, guys. It's smelling amazing, smelling delicious, it's smelling yummy-licious. I just make sure I stir. As you can see, the consistency is okay. Then I went ahead and added a little bit of bitter leaf. Okay, I love adding bitter leaf to my ogbono. Okay, added ogbono, bitter leaf to just a little bit. Or at this point, you can even add a pumpkin leaf. If you have pumpkin leaf, you can add pumpkin leaf. But I'm using bitter leaf. I just like the taste of that bitter leaf. Okay, then I stir it up a little bit. I like to cook for about 10 minutes, guys. Look at it, it's looking good. Look at, and the oil here is so good, guys. The oil, look at the color of the ogbono. Look at it, guys. Our ogbono is smelling good, it's smelling delicious, it tastes so good. I love the consistency is okay for me. As you can see, if you are the type that like it watery, you can add more water. As for me, that is the consistency I love. Okay, now the ogbono is ready. It's time to serve. Mind you guys, this was an order from somebody. Okay, somebody placed an order. I just have to deliver, guys. I just have to deliver. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love, the support. If you are new, please don't forget to like and follow. Don't forget to subscribe also, and also don't forget to share, because sharing is scary. I love you guys, and compliment of the season to every one of you. Compliment of the season to you guys. Merry Christmas in advance. Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to share, as I said. If you are a type that love ogbono soup, I want you to know, like, what swallow will you like to enjoy this soup with. As for me, I love eating my swallow with pounded yam or oatmeal fufu, because oatmeal fufu is healthy, okay, or plantain fufu. Any swallow of your choice is good for this soup. Or you can use eba. If you're the type that like eba is also good for this ogbono soup. I just have to serve and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Bye everyone. One love. Keep us together.